Get excited about the 2015 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.